together with the amazing godfather, Mr. Sharuko. He's going to come and join me later on, but just to get settled, why don't you greet the person next to you? Just say a hi, a smile, a handshake, a hug. If it's your wife, you kiss and a hug. If it is not, please stay away. If it's a teammate, you know what to do. Alright, as we get settled, let me just start by telling you a story that I had some time back growing up in Iran. So, we all know the amazing Bruce Grobler, right? Or as we called him growing up in Highfields, Bruce Grobella. So it's said that one day a flat was on fire in the avenues. And then people realized there was a kid trapped in the top floor. The flat had about 5 floors or so. And then people were panicking, there was no ladder, there was no fire brigade inside, and everyone was wondering what to do. So one guy then said, you know what, I've got a pair of gloves for goalkeepers. And then they're like, all we need is a brave man or woman to catch the child as they jump from the top floor. Then, you know, they tried one guy, came there, confident and all that. But just before the kid jumped, he developed some cold feet and he was like, no, I don't think I can do this. He gave back the pair of gloves. And then 2 other people came, it was the same thing. And it so happened that Bruce Grobler was driving by. It was right there by Chitepo. I'm not saying I was there, but I was very able to get details of the event. So as he was driving by, he parked his car, he noticed there's something going on. They gave him the pair of gloves, he wore them, and true to form, he was able to catch the child when the child jumped. But something amazing happened. As soon as he grabbed the child into his hand, he bounced the baby and kicked it as far as he could. That is the problem with the routine. But anyway, I'm glad we've got some athletics people and some soccer fans, representatives from ZIFA and all over the place, the guys from media. And at this time, allow me to welcome the Godfather to come and do the official welcome. Help me welcome him, Mr. Sharuko.
Thank you, thank you. I don't need to say anything more. You've welcomed everybody. Good afternoon. This guy is a joke about the problem. He said it was a true story, but hey, it needs to be fact-checked. You know, in football, we don't do jokes. We do the real stuff. Yeah. And here we are for the Warriors. They do the real stuff. They don't joke around. But then it reminds me of last Sunday. You know, I go to Rufaro. I don't go there anymore these days because of the issues when you're trying to go in there. You know, the security, everything. So it's a bit disappointing. But I choose to go. Why? Because the other is playing. And the opponents are dynamos. Then I sit there. It's halftime, still, as I predicted, 0-0. Then I'm asking myself, you know, the English Premiership is coming to an end, and everybody wants to see how Liverpool and Man City are going to play. And I'm saying, why am I here? Why don't I just leave? Then I look at the crowd, huge crowd. I say, these guys cannot be wrong. So I'll stay here. So I stay. 46 minutes, a guy comes in with his wife and sits next to me and says, you know, I come here every Sunday. I said, well done. Are you a good football fan? He says, yes. Then he says, what's the score? And I say, 0-0. He says, oh. So what was the score at halftime? You know, football is such a pleasure. Welcome everybody. This is a big, important event. You know, there's something about the year that ends with a 9 in Zim football. You remember the sports editors who are here. 1929, this country played its first international football game against the visiting English amateur team. 1969, the soccer stars are introduced and Joshua becomes the first winner. I think we all need to wish him very well, the old man, the legend. 1989, Peter Ndlovu explodes on the scene. the Coca-Cola, which was launched yesterday. 1979, of course, Cape United win their first league championship. 2019, of course, Cape United win another league championship. And 2019, here we are, Umbro partnering the Warriors. Please give them a bit of applause. Yes, my brother, you can take over.
I just have a question from what you said. You said most of your predictions are correct. Is that so?
99%, yeah.
Are you a prophet by any chance?
Not yet, but my brother, my guy has been trying.
Okay, I was actually hoping we've got a business opportunity day or a church opportunity to start our thing. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege and honor this afternoon, for us to be hosting this event and having you with us. This is a prestigious event being brought to us by Zipa, and the dignitaries are here seated representing them, as well as representatives from UMRO. So I'll just do a few announcements so that we are all at the same level of understanding. If you need ablution facilities, they are downstairs. If you need food, it is coming later on. If you need a friend to talk to, you're going to have to make a phone call to a friend from your phone. But it's an honor and a privilege to have you, all of you here. And in a short moment, we're going to have Noma coming to give us the opening remarks. And then later on, we'll have the models come down the aisle with the replica jerseys. And then later on, there is a surprise that is waiting for us in terms of what we are gathered here for. So, Mr. Sharuko, any comments you have before Noma comes?
No, here the internet is buzzing. I think the guys here have been posting pictures of the kids and so forth. I think the comments are going wild. But we can tell you, hold on, there is a big surprise. So don't rush. You might be left with a little bit of egg on your faces. This is a big occasion. And promise you, this is huge. Don't rush to send pictures and so forth. There is a big thing that is happening. Norma, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, before I start my welcome speech, I'd like to ask the Warriors fans. They know themselves. I just want them here. I just want a short thing, just to welcome you all. Warriors fans, please come, ladies. Okay, they just want to do one of their crazy songs just to welcome you, and then after that I'll speak on behalf of Truth. Thank you so much. Thank you. These are the top fans in the country. They've got all the crazy but best of the songs. So anyway, on behalf of Truett, my name is Noma. I'll be representing our marketing director. One of the things when Jerry approached us a few months ago, we were excited. It was something new. We've never done this before. So when he approached us, we say to ourselves, let's go for it. This is exciting. So today, as we unveil the official jersey, you've been told, the MCs have mentioned, something big is coming, a surprise is coming. So on behalf of Truett's management and the whole directorate, I'd like to say, welcome to our official opening, welcome to Truett, welcome to our home, and welcome to those who do not live in Zimbabwe. Welcome to Zimbabwe. We've got crazy fans, we love the football, we love the game, and we love Umbro. Ladies, we love Umbro, and we love Zipa, and we love Thank you so much. Welcome to our event. I thank you.
Yeah.
and gentlemen, a round of applause for our fans, the Warriors fans. Okay, why don't we get right into the business of the day as we continue. If you could make way on the aisle, as we now prepare to have the models come down with the replicas, the sound or some music, select music from the DJ.
Yes, this is what we call the limited edition. So bear this in mind. What you're about to see is what we term the limited edition.
Okay, here they come. The models is they were showcasing the replica jersey. Now it reminds me of something that I always tell people, the story of my life and how I get dressed by my wife normally. And so she tells me that she gets my clothes from Dubai. And I've been telling people that I get my clothes from where? From Dubai. But then I asked her one day, how come I've never seen you take a trip to Dubai or send someone? And then she says to me, well, Dubai is the name of the guy who sells clothes from the boot of his car at the back of First Street. So imagine my shock when she told me that, and yet I've been telling everyone that I get my clothes from Dubai. But this morning, I'm proud to say I've been dressed by Topics. How about a round of applause for Topics, guys? I believe I am looking fantabulous as usual, but my wife can't take credit for this one, unfortunately. At this moment in time, I would like to welcome on behalf of to welcome Mr. Sharpes gives a speech on behalf of the Zimbabwean president. I am told. Thanks.
Hey, where's the love? Where's the happiness?
Yeah.
I can see Captain United, they're in the house. Are you not happy on top of the table? Come on, let's show the love. This is a happy occasion. Nobody's being killed here. Everybody's going home happy. And I can promise you, everyone is going with their replica jersey. I can promise you that.
Wow.
Now, the Zimbabwean president is not here, so don't come out. He's got some other engagements as we speak. But the Zimbabwean member, the PSL chairman, Farage, is here. And when he comes to the podium, this is not a Cape thing. This is a Zimbabwe thing. Please, but I'm not keeping it. Tipe Ongu is different. I see a Cape thing. This is
Thank you all. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the ZIFA president, let me acknowledge the presence of UMBRO representatives here, Brian Kazen, UMBRO chairman, and his team. The ZIFA executive committee members here present. I can see Mr. Barbara was there, Mr. Chamu, Chwanta here, as ZIFA secretariat represented by Mr. Gresela here, through the representative, Ms. Norma Zunze here, technical team being represented by their manager, Mr. Wellington Pandare. Representatives, the owners of the game, who are the representatives of the supporters. You can see this event is quite overwhelming. Locally and internationally, I can see Mr. Marshall Gore from the UK. Let me acknowledge him as well. Members of the media here present, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. I am proud and relieved that the official launch of our kit is finally happening. We continue to prepare for the 2019 Total Africa Cup of Nations finals. I'm glad that all parties involved worked hard to make sure that our teams get quality apparel which befits their performance. I would like to express a gratitude to UMBRO, representatives here in Zimbabwe and South Africa, for coming through to partner us. I would like to thank the ZIFA board which made this deal happen. A lot of our sectors thought were sold a dummy by UMBRO, but we stuck by them. Today we are here witnessing a historic event few days before our team departs for Egypt. The historic sponsorship is going to cover all national teams from the senior to under 23, including the ladies. This is but only the beginning for us, because we want to make sure that excellence within our team begins with their dressing. We are confident that the kits which we are unveiling will inspire national team players every time they step onto the field. In the new ZIFA, we do not want to leave anything to fate. That is why we want our players to focus only on their own field task without distractions like the unavailability of kits. We are also certain that our beloved supporters will love the various replicas which would be available for sale around the country. The colors that we chose cater for everyone. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All right, thank you very much for that wonderful speech. We are going next to the next modeling session. So if we could also again make some way on the aisle. catwalk, as we call it. Now what we're going to see is the wide range of what Umbro has to offer for all the teams. So we're going to see some tracksuits, as well as kids, replicas, and so forth. It's a wide range, it's not just the kit that is being unveiled to the audience. This is the wide range of their products. And you can agree with me, ladies and gentlemen, that Umbro has been a household brand even here in Zimbabwe for such a long time now. And it's a brand we are comfortable with and proud to associate with. And I guess this is why SDF decided to partner with Umbro for the kids for audition. So the DJ is going to play some music. I know it's 10 to 2 or 4 down the aisle, but let's give a chance to the model. very much. All right, we're going on to the next session. And the question, Godfather, that I've been hearing from a lot of people is, and I've received a couple of texts in reference to that, and some people have been whispering in my ear. They're asking, when are we getting the replica jerseys?
That's a good question. It's been trending, you know, in these days of Twitter, Facebook, everything just explodes like that. That question I cannot answer, but I think I will ask everybody, please, let's give this ceremony the honor that it deserves. When somebody is speaking, if the ZIFA representative is speaking, let's just give him or her the honor that he or she deserves. Let's be quiet just for a few minutes. I know we're going to the National Sports Stadium, there we can go and have fun and we can do whatever we want. Just for those few minutes, let's just give them a chance. Because the guy who's coming next is the guy who answers all our questions. He's from Cape Town.
That's awesome.
And he's also based in England. And he's the main guy in all this, the Umbro president. Please, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce Brian to come and address you.
Hello, hello. Thanks everybody. Welcome. It's a great pleasure to be here. We were going to do the Umbro song, but after hearing the Warriors fans, it's going to be hard to compete with that. So we decided not to sing. When I heard that we would potentially partner with Zipa, it was really a great prospect that came across us, and we were really, really excited about developing a long-term partnership with Zipa. Umbro is a pure football brand that's been around since 1924. We focus on football. We do football teams in the Premier League, in the Bundesliga, in the Dutch League, and many national teams as well. We are all football people, and we understand and love the game, and we understand the needs and the desires of the fans and what the players actually need. We've listened to the fans, we've taken their thoughts and ideas into account, and I think you'll see later on when we present the replicas and the match day kits that you'll see some exciting things come about, and I hope everyone's really, really happy with that. We're here for the long term. We want to build a long-term relationship with Zipa, and we're super excited to be here, and we look forward to a long and prosperous partnership with everyone involved. Thanks all for being here, and we appreciate it.
Wow. There's something that I heard you say, 1924. That is a long time to be around.
Yeah, that's not when I was born, that's when Umbro started.
Oh, I see. Thank you for correcting that. Because I was wondering, I only want to know one other person who was born around that time.
Yeah, when you look at, if you look at the 1966 World Cup, there were 16 football teams representing in the World Cup, and 15 of those teams wore Umbro.
Wow. How about a round of applause, guys, for Umbro? That is amazing. All right, Godfather. Is busy. But I wanted to ask, what would you attribute to that success? To be here for so long, since 1924, what is it about the brand that you think is really appealing to the people?
I think it's a combination of factors. Mainly is that we're one of the only few brands that are purely football focused. So we live and breathe football, we're focused in football, we understand the needs of the teams from the owners' perspectives and from the players' perspective. So we really focus deep into football, and we understand everything that goes on within football. That combined with our technical prowess of the garments, the quality, the type of product the players need, combines into a powerful brand element and structure.
All right. As an MC, I also do a lot of weddings and other events. So what I wanted to ask was, is there a law that prohibits me from wearing a tracksuit like yours to a wedding?
To a wedding? Yeah. I would go like this, I'm sure you can.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Godfather can take over from now and let us know what's coming up next, because the idea is big.
Yeah, Brian, thanks a lot. Hey, did you guys give Brian what he deserves? Please, come on.
I don't think so. We can do better.
I can see we can convert Marcella from the Zipa spokesman to a cheerleader. He does very well. And the more thing is about to continue, and I think we can try the Zipa board member, Chamu. I think, what do you think?
I think so.
He can model very well.
I think he can.
Yeah, he looks like a model. He looks like a model.
He's got the looks.
Yeah.
He's got the suits.
Yeah.
He's got the shoes.
But can he fit into the Warriors here?
Well, we need to find that out. Maybe later on.
All right, guys, let's clear. Yeah, please. This is the moment. We are now seeing the models coming in with the limited edition kits from Umbro. Get this right. What you're going to see now is the limited edition kits from Umbro. Things are happening. Can we get the guys now coming in? Our models, the music, the background, the happiness, everything. This is the limited edition kit, and you can get it. All these kits, you can get them here in Fuel. So if you've got your money, you can go downstairs, you can get all these kits.
This is the big one. You can wear this to a wedding like me. Big fun today.
Make sure that you ensure that topics is the place to be.
Yeah.
Topics is the shop to be. And if you partner topics, you can be in Egypt, where the warriors, the replica jersey, everybody will identify you as a warrior. How good does it feel? What do you think? Just being called a warrior. How good does it feel to be called a warrior?
It's amazing.
Yeah, imagine.
I've been called a warrior a few times myself. So.
Imagine being called Emma Fan. That doesn't sound right.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, the guys we are seeing right now, depending on which side you are, the other guy, the shorter guy, is Little Emma Funga.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the taller guy, this guy can even Stockholm. This is Ronald Fully. He's called the goal in AFCON qualified. The only one from among those who are described as strikers, who are not described as strikers, to get a goal for us. Give them a round of applause.
That's the correction World Cup. It's not short. It's the limited edition of the summarized height.
Yeah, they call it presidential.
Yes, that's it.
So, don't forget, downstairs at Topics, you can get all what you want for the identity with the warriors.
Yeah.
I'm being told these warriors are going places. I was talking to Lenny Kasa on TV yesterday, and I was asking him, realistically, where do you think our guys can go in terms of their show at the AFCON 2019? And he said, you know, Godfather, don't underrate us. We've got quality players. And they said, yeah, if you can beat the DRC in Kinshasa, who can then say you cannot win? Yeah, Samaita, go for it. Go, Warriors, go.
We are falling behind the Warriors all the way. Yeah. All right. The suspense is intentional, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow. Now,
Here we go.
yeah. Talent matters are in the house. That I go in the house too. These are our